Did you know that female cats are typically right-pawed while male cats are more often left-pawed? Yes, you heard it right. Our feline friends also have a dominant paw, just like us humans. And it seems that the paw preference is gender-based in cats, which is quite intriguing, isn't it? Now let's dive deeper into this fascinating world of female cats. Today, we're embarking on a journey, exploring 10 fascinating facts about female cats. This journey is sure to make you admire these regal creatures even more. So let's get back to our first fact. Why are female cats usually right-pawed? Scientists believe this could be due to the connection between the brain hemisphere and the dominant paw. The left hemisphere, which controls the right side of the body, is more dominant in females. This might be the reason why female cats tend to favor their right paw. But why does this matter? Well, paw preference can have significant implications for a cat's behavior. For instance, a right-pawed cat might approach a new toy with its right paw first, or use its right paw to reach for a tasty treat. It's also believed that this paw preference has some evolutionary advantages. For instance, it could be that right-pawed cats have a slight edge when it comes to hunting or defending themselves. Although these are just theories, they add another layer of fascination to our understanding of these elegant creatures. So, next time you're watching your female cat play or hunt, pay a little attention to her paws. You might just find that she's exhibiting this unique right-pawed preference. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. In this journey, we're going to explore more about the fascinating world of female cats. From their maternal instincts to their unique communication style and much more, there's so much to discover and appreciate about these wonderful creatures. So, are you ready to uncover more feline mysteries? Stay tuned because we're just getting started. Ever wondered why your female cat seems to have superpowers? Well, she kind of does. You see, the world of feline motherhood is an extraordinary one. A female cat, or queen as they're often called, can start having kittens as young as 6 months old. Yes, you heard it right, 6 months, that's barely out of her own kittenhood. But that's not all. These queens don't just stop at 1 or 2 litters. They can have up to 3 litters a year. And each of these litters can have on average 4 to 6 kittens. Imagine up to 18 kittens a year from just one cat. It's an incredible feat of motherhood, a testament to the resilience and strength of the female feline. So the next time you see your cat lounging around, remember she's not just a pet, she's a supermom, and she does it all with such grace and poise. So yes, your cat might be a supermom. Next time you call your cat by her name and she ignores you, don't take it personally. You see, our feline friends have a strong sense of independence that runs deep in their DNA. This can sometimes be mistaken for aloofness or indifference, but in reality, it's just their unique way of interacting with the world. Now here's something fascinating. Female cats don't necessarily respond to their names. Yes, you heard it right, it's not the name they respond to, but rather the tone and sound of your voice. They're more attuned to the emotions and intentions behind the sound than the specific words themselves. So if you're wondering why Miss Whiskers isn't responding when you call, try changing up your tone or the cadence of your voice. Remember, it's about communicating on their terms, not ours. So, next time you're calling out to your feline companion, keep that in mind. She's not ignoring you, she's just being a cat. Your female cat is a born hunter, and she's better at it than you might think. It's in her DNA, a natural instinct passed down from her wild ancestors. Even the most domesticated feline can't resist the allure of the chase. From the moment she's old enough to pounce, your little furball is honing her skills. She's a master of stealth, able to move silently and unseen until she's ready to strike. Her sharp claws and teeth are not just for show, they're her primary tools for catching and incapacitating her prey. But it's not just about the thrill of the hunt. Female cats play a crucial role in controlling populations of unwanted pests. Rats, mice, and other small critters don't stand a chance against her swift reflexes and keen eyesight. Even if she's fed at home, she'll often engage in hunting out of instinct. So if you ever find a gift at your doorstep, remember it's a testament to her prowess. Who knew your furry friend was such a fierce predator? Did you know that your female cat's coat color can tell you a lot about her? It's quite an intriguing fact, isn't it? Now let's take a journey through the colorful world of female cats. Just like a painter's palette, a female cat's coat can be of any color, from the deepest ebony to the purest white and every hue in between. But have you ever wondered why? It all comes down to genetics. You see, the genes for coat color in cats are found on the X chromosome. Now here's where it gets interesting. Female cats have 2 X chromosomes, one from each parent. This means they can display two colors at once, which is why you'll often see female cats with a mix of colors in their coat, such as tortoiseshell or calico cats. On the contrary, male cats have only one X chromosome, which they get from their mother, and one Y chromosome from their father. This means they can only display one color at a time, although they can also carry the gene for a different color which can be passed on to their offspring. But wait, there's more. Some female cats can also display a phenomenon known as X inactivation, or lionization. This is when one of the X chromosomes in each cell is randomly turned off during embryonic development. This results in patches of color where one X chromosome is active and others where the second X chromosome is active, creating a unique and beautiful patchwork of colors. So the next time you look at your female cat, take a moment to appreciate not just her beauty, but also the complex genetic ballet that has produced her stunning coat. And remember, whether she's a sleek black panther, a fiery ginger, or a mottled calico, each color tells a story about her ancestry and genetic makeup. So, your cat's coat color is not just pretty, it's also pretty telling. Ever wonder what your female cat is trying to tell you? She's actually speaking to you in her own special language. Let's dive into the fascinating world of feline communication. It's a lot more nuanced than you might think. Female cats communicate in a variety of ways, using body language, vocalizations, and even scent marking. Each of these methods conveys a different message. First up, body language. A female cat's posture, tail movements, and facial expressions can tell you a lot about her mood. For example, a tail held high and straight is a sign of confidence and contentment. But a low, twitching tail, that's a sign she's annoyed or anxious. And if she's blinking slowly at you, that's not just a sign of sleepiness. It's a feline sign of affection, almost like a cat's version of a hug. Next, we have vocalizations. Female cats have a wide range of sounds, from purrs to meows to hisses. Each sound communicates something different. A purr usually means she's comfortable, while a hiss is a clear sign that she's upset or feeling threatened. But what about meows? Well, those are typically reserved for humans. Cats don't usually meow at each other, so if your cat is meowing at you, she's trying to tell you something. It could be anything from "I'm hungry" to "I need attention," or even "I'm not feeling well." Finally, we come to scent marking. Cats have scent glands in their cheeks, paws, and other parts of their bodies. When your cat rubs against you or scratches a piece of furniture, she's leaving her scent behind. This is her way of saying, "This is mine." So, there you have it. The secret language of female cats. It's a language of body movements, sounds, and scents, each with its own meaning. It's like a dance, a melody, a fragrance that tells a story. So, next time your female cat is trying to tell you something, pay close attention. After all, communication is a two-way street, and understanding her language is the first step in building a stronger bond with your feline friend. Well, that's all for our feline facts today. We've journeyed through the intriguing world of female cats, witnessing their supermom abilities, delving into the stories behind their names, and appreciating their prowess as perfect hunters. We've reveled in the vibrant color palette that these wonderful creatures display, and decoded some of the secret languages they use. Every cat is a universe of fascinating facts waiting to be discovered. Their unique behaviors, their colorful coats, and their mysterious languages are only the tip of the iceberg. So why not share your own feline facts and experiences? We'd love to hear all about the unique quirks and charming traits of your furry friends. Remember, the world of cats is as vast as it is fascinating, and there's always more to learn and explore. If you enjoyed these feline facts, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonderful world of cats.